If you move to Windsor or even just visit our great city, you'll quickly discover that it's filled with high-quality local pizzerias. As the name suggests, Windsor-style pizza is unique to this region. Windsor has more pizzerias per capita than any other city in Canada. Many of these local pizzerias are independently owned and have been in business for decades. Hi, I'm Dino Kasparis, your EXP agent here in Windsor, Ontario. In today's video, I'm going to briefly explain what Windsor-style pizza is, talk about its origins according to sources, and I'll showcase some of our local pizzerias for you to try. For those who are unfamiliar with Windsor-style pizza, it can be described as having a medium thick crust, uses galati mozzarella cheese, shredded pepperoni, canned mushrooms instead of fresh mushrooms, and cornmeal on the bottom of the crust. Galati cheese produces the mozzarella used on Windsor-style pizza. Galati is located here in Windsor on Tecumseh Road West and has been in business since 1988. Many locals agree the origins of Windsor-style pizza come from Volcano Pizzeria that opened its doors in 1957. Volcano was located at the corner of Victoria Avenue and Wyandotte Street and was in operation until 1986 when the owners retired. Volcano Pizzeria was famous for its fleet of delivery vehicles, as delivering pizza was a novelty at the time. When Volcano closed its doors in 1986, many employees that left started their own pizzerias, continuing the Windsor-style pizza legacy. Now the fun part, showing you some pizza locations. As a disclaimer, this is not an exhaustive list and this is not ranking any of the pizzerias. Instead, I'll be presenting you the list in the order based on the year each pizzeria opened. I've also included a couple of bonus suggestions of popular pizzerias that differ from the traditional Windsor style, which are worth mentioning, so you'll want to stay to the end of the video. If you find this video valuable, please consider liking and subscribing below. And without further ado, let's get after it. If you want to learn more about Windsor-style pizza, check out the documentary The Pizza City You've Never Heard Of, produced by George Kalibas. At the time of recording this, you can watch this on the CBC Gem app. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful and you want other suggestions on where to eat or what to do in this great city, you want to check out these two other videos on my channel, Affordable Places to Eat and Things to Do in Windsor. Please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. See you in the next video.